as you guys know, we rehabilitated this 95 VR4. This gentleman flew in from Florida. I picked him up in my 99 VR4, and I kind of wanted to show off and show him how much power the car made, and I showed off. He had the experience one of these blowing up before he got to drive this beautiful car home from Florida. So this is the car that we just kind of resurrected. It's been sitting for 10 years. We got this car back. It is in primo condition, and it is headed to its new home tomorrow in Florida. We're just doing some final, just making sure everything's good. I hate for the gentleman to drive 15, 16 hours home and have issues. So just showing how stock and original everything in the car is, how stock and original everything underneath is. This car is truly an unbelievable specimen of these cars, and it's been a real honor to bring this one back to life. And hopefully the new owner will appreciate it as much as I have, and they'll get a really great car out of this one. I'm also turning the rotors for you, so you have perfectly fresh rotors, as well as brand new struts. I don't know if I actually sent you a good video of underneath it, but very remarkable. It's just crazy how well this LCD screen works, and the coloration, and it's just you just don't see them in this condition very often. Pretty cool stuff. This thing is a badass car to drive. It's just so stock and quiet, man. I mean, it just works. It just works, man. It's super duper quiet. We're about to go shoot that video. I'll send you some pictures once we get it all cleaned up, kind of see what it looks like. Everybody, here we go. He got it cleaned up. Only downfall is you can see the dents a little more now from the hail. I don't know if you can kind of see them there in the hood. My fucking phone, I don't know what it's doing, but man, it turned out really, really good. This car, look how freaking clean the floor mats came once we took Tasmanian Devil off of it. Freaking unbelievable how clean this freaking car is, man. Like OEM shift boot even, like what the hell. What I just did, I found the anti-theft code for your radio. So I got your radio working. It sounds really good. It all works as supposed to. That was one of my things I wanted to try to get done today. So, but yeah, I found the original anti-theft code.
Look at this shit, man. This is what came to pick me up.
Yeah, this car, it looks obviously stock, but it makes 540 wheel horsepower.
Oh my God.
And it's a stock motor, stock trans. So like on your car, if you ever wanted to make more power,
do it again.
Yeah, I will when we get out here. This car runs good. What sucks about this car is it's got a bad third gear.
Okay.
These transmissions are really bad. Wow. Whoops. Well, we blew it up. So the gentleman that flew in from Florida to buy the white 95, I was giving him a ride in the 99, and after 10 years of hard ownership, it finally it blew up. Rest in peace. I showed off. He had the experience one of these blowing up before he got to drive this beautiful car home from Florida. So he had a 95 SL in high school.
Yep. And
he always wanted a VR4, and he found this car, I mean, literally as soon as I posted it on Marketplace, and we came to agreement, and he flew in and got to see a little bit of Oklahoma. I offered to have him come and stay at the house and see the rest of the cars, but you know, he's got a life too, so he's going to drive this bad boy all the way back to Florida, and send me some videos along the way so I can put them in this video.
Definitely. So
send me some landmark pictures and stuff like that. But just wanted to show you this car, guys, this car again, just to show you how clean it, you know, this car just sat in a garage for over a decade. It's just cool. I love these cars, and I love rehabilitating them. I don't love blowing them up so much. But he's off the road to Florida. Well, awesome, brother. Well, it was a pleasure meeting you, and hopefully our paths will cross again. Next time I'm in Florida, we're planning on doing a King of the Open Road down there this year on one of our events with TRC. So when that happens, I'll hit you up. Maybe you can bring the car up to Orlando. Okay. So awesome, brother.
Well, I'll have all the dents out.
Yeah.
By then.
Yeah. Now that we've had it paint corrected, obviously you guys saw in the video it had hail, but really the hood's the worst. I don't know. It's hard to tell in pictures and video, but awesome. Can you like just drop it over there by that red G35. Just anywhere over there. Poor baby.
Look at that ass. Okay. It's like, I don't want to sound like I'm obsessed with this car, but you know, it's like nothing says 90s like this, you know? All right, so something weird just happened. I was stopped at the light, and I mean, I just lost complete power. Like, there's no power in this. It doesn't do shit. It's very weird. Oh, let's see. Well, at least it does that now, but you know, you see, nothing. Whew. I stayed at a hotel, and I woke up, drove it to get some breakfast, and I stopped at a light after getting breakfast, and it stalled a little bit, and then boom, that's it, just shut off. Didn't make a sound, power went out, nothing. I got nothing. It looks so cool in my garage. And there goes your Oklahoma tag. I gotta get that back to you ASAP.
Well, after 10 years of abuse, my 99 VR4 making over 500 wheel horsepower. Kind of give you the rundown for that time. It was 100% unopened stock motor with 130,000 miles. Billet wheel Kiagawa turbos, G-Works fuel system, 1000cc injectors, downpipe exhaust, old school side mount intercoolers, HKS DLI, and a clutch. Car made over 500 wheel for a very long time. Was picking up the gentleman who bought the white 95 VR4 from the airport. He had never been in a fast-ish VR4. So I gave it a quick fourth gear stab, and you can see it didn't end too well. Blew the dipstick completely out of the car, caked a hole underneath the car in oil. It mangled the dipstick and has absolutely no compression. I don't know the ins and outs of exactly what happened, but whatever it is, it wasn't good. And poor girl, she's been really good to me, but just like everything, all things come to an end. That being said, I'm not exactly sure the path I'm going to take with that car, but it's been a stock appearing car for a very long time. It's time to give it a little bit of a facelift. I'm going to put a front mount on it. I'm going to put some aftermarket, probably bronze TE37s on it. Probably going to tint the windows. Obviously new motor, probably some bigger turbos. I'm not exactly sure on the power. I may throw a stock motor back in it, use that turbo kit, turn it down a little bit to like 450 wheel and leave it alone. Or I may put a set of TD05s on it and just turn it up to 700 wheel and build the motor. Haven't made up my mind, but sucks. Now we got another car we got to fix, but that's the game we play, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. See you on the next.